What a beautiful morning for the market. Let's find some fresh fruit today.
Look at all the colors. Red apples, yellow bananas, and purple grapes.
These tomatoes look perfect. Let's get some for dinner tonight.
Can I get this wooden car, please? It has red wheels.
Of course you can. You helped carry the bags last time.
We got so many good things. Apples, bread, tomatoes, and my toy.
Great shopping, everyone. Now let's head home before it gets too hot.
Look at the sky. Those clouds are so dark and big now.
I think it's going to rain. The sky looks like a storm.
Oh no, a storm is coming. We need to leave right now.
Come here, kids. Let's run home fast before the rain comes.
The rain is so heavy. Can we still get home, Mom?
Don't worry, sweetheart. We have umbrellas in the car. We'll be okay.
We parked really far from here. It's at least 10 minutes away in this rain.
Hello, neighbors. What a surprise finding you here. Do you need my big umbrella?
Thank you so much, Cindy. You're our hero today. Let's walk together.
Look at the water splash. This is like a big water party outside.
Oh my, these bags are so heavy, and the wind is blowing my umbrella.
Mrs. Martinez, let us help you carry those heavy bags home.
We have plenty of room under our umbrellas. Please let us help.
I can carry that small bag. I'm strong like Daddy.
Oh, thank you, sweet boy. You're such a helpful young man.
I'll hold your hand, Mrs. Martinez, so you don't slip on the wet ground.
The more the merrier. Let's all walk together and stay dry.
Look at the big splash. This is the best rainy day ever.
Thank you, sweet Jack. You're such a brave helper. Your mother must be so proud. Thank you all so much. You are the best neighbors in the whole world.
We helped Mrs. Martinez and made new friends today. I'm so proud of our family.
I carried a bag all by myself. I was a big helper just like Daddy.
The wind is so strong. Hold on tight, everyone. We need to find shelter.
Mommy, I'm scared. The rain is too loud and scary.
You're safe with me, sweetie. I've got you, and I won't let go.
There's a shop ahead. Run quick, everyone. We can make it. We made it. We're safe now. That was so exciting.
Come in, come in. Don't stand in the rain. Warm tea is ready for you.
The tea is so warm and good. I feel much better now. Thank you.
That's wonderful, dear. Drink up and rest. The storm will pass soon.
Thank you so much for your kindness. The tea was wonderful. Goodbye.
Look at the rainbow. It's so beautiful. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet.
Anna, helping Mrs. Martinez made her so happy. How did that make you feel?
It made me feel good inside. I like making other people smile.
Daddy, I was a real helper today. Mrs. Martinez said I was brave.
You were amazing, son. I'm so proud of you. You helped like a hero.
There's our house. I can see it. We're almost home now.
Here we are, home at last. What an amazing adventure we had today.
I'll see you tomorrow. Have a wonderful evening, family.
Home feels so good. It's warm and dry and everything is perfect.
Today, we learned something important. Helping others brings joy to everyone.
Yes, Mrs. Martinez was so happy. I want to help more people. And then I held Mrs. Martinez's hand so she wouldn't fall. I was so brave.
And I carried the heavy bag all by myself. I'm the strongest helper.
Tomorrow is another day. Maybe we can visit Mrs. Martinez and see how she's doing.
That's a wonderful idea. Let's bring her some flowers and check on our neighbor. Good night, my sweet girl. You were so brave today. Sleep well and dream of rainbows.
Good night, Jack. You are my hero today. I'm very proud of you.
Good night, my angels. Tomorrow brings new adventures. I love you both. Thanks for watching our adventure today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to join our family on more exciting journeys. See you in the next video.